Do you want to know a secret about why most e-commerce stores fail within the first 3 months of their launch? It's not because their product is bad or their shipping is too slow. It is because they hit their creative bottleneck. They usually have a great product, but they realize that to actually scale on TikTok or on Meta, they need 50 different ad variations and a dozen of high-end lifestyle photos and a constant stream of UGC videos. So hiring just one creator can cost you around $500 and take 2 weeks for a single video. So if you want to test 10 different hooks, you are looking at $5,000 before you even spend $1 on ad. But what if I told you that the era of expensive photo shoot is officially over? So today I'm going to show you the tool that is changing the game for independent sellers who need to move at the speed of internet. So before you spend another dime on freelance creator or a professional studio, you need to see this AI tool. This AI tool is called EcomBos.AI, and this is not just another generic AI tool. This is a dedicated AI creative studio built especially for e-commerce. We are talking about generating scroll-stopping UGC ads, professional product photography, and high converting static creatives in literally just few minutes. So I have been testing this platform and the results are honestly a little bit scary. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how I'm using this to bypass the traditional creative agency model and go from a raw product shot to a library of ad ready assets in a single session. The core problem that we all face is that traditional creative pipelines were built for massive brands with massive budgets. If you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing brand, you cannot afford to wait for 2 weeks for a video. You need to test volume to find a winner. So this AI tool solves this particular problem by giving you a huge library of realistic AI UGC avatars. These avatars are across different age, ethnicity, and settings that you can imagine. You can just write a script or just simply describe in your own words what exactly kind of ad do you want, and then you can select choose your settings and then choose a product image as well, and then just choose an avatar, and this AI tool will create high quality realistic ad for you. The AI generates a video for you that looks exactly like a real person talking about your product. Let's suppose if you have a physical product, the AI avatar will be holding your physical product and basically interacting with it, and it will just look like a real person. The amazing thing is you can test the same script with 5 different creators in a time it takes to even send a brief to a human influencer. But it does not stop at video. One of the biggest headaches is getting high quality lifestyle photos. Usually you have to ship your product to a photographer and then wait for the edits. But with this AI tool, you just upload a basic photo of your product, then you can just choose your generation mode. So I just gave it this custom prompt, and now I can just maybe choose any of these templates. I can choose this particular template, then just click on generate scene, and there you go. You can see it has created this amazing image for our product. So our prompt was to show our product in a cafe in London. So you can see it has properly presented this product in London, and you can see even our packages, and you can see our product is placed here in background as well, and here as well in foreground. So it has precisely placed our product in here. So basically you can place your product in a luxury kitchen, in a gym, or a beach setting without ever leaving your desk. What really sets this tool apart from tools like Synthesia or generic AI video generators is that this AI tool is purpose built for e-commerce workflows. It also includes a feature which is called Spaces. This is basically a collaboration space where you and your team can chain workflows together. You can share assets and manage the entire projects in one single workspace. It also has a built-in AI orchestrator that automatically refines your prompts. So even if you're not an expert at writing AI instructions, the system fixes your input to ensure the output is high quality every single time. And for the power users or developers watching here, there is an MCP as well. So you can connect your MCP server with Claude Code, with maybe Klein. And for the power users watching here, there is an MCP server. You can connect this tool with Cursor, with Claude Code, with OpenClaw, and other third-party tools. The setup is absolutely simple. You can just add a custom connector, then you can just connect and sign in. The process is almost similar for all of these tools. So this MCP server basically allows you to generate your creatives through a conversational workflow. And by the way, this is the only platform in this space that is offering this level of advanced integrations. You have to look at this as part of a bigger picture. EcomBos is a part of massive ecosystem that includes validates for product research and Virela for building your store. You can literally find a winning product, build the store, and generate every single ad creative you need without ever leaving this infrastructure. And it takes the guesswork and the massive upfront cost out of the equation. So if you're a dropshipper, a brand owner, or even an agency owner managing multiple clients, the math on this is a no-brainer. You are trading hundreds of dollars per video for a platform that lets you produce at scale for a fraction of the cost. And more variations mean a faster path to finding your winning ads, which is the only way to scale in 2026. So using this AI tool, you can build entire campaigns from scratch. You can start with brand identity. You can even use the niche validator as well. You can even use the store planner. You can create ad copies for Meta and TikTok as well. You can also create your 30 days social calendar. And when it comes to generating the content related to your product, you can create product photos. You can use the product studio that I showed you earlier. You can use the angle factory as well, where you can just like upload a single product image and then you can create like multiple angles for your product. So from finding a winning product to then creating the content for that product and creating the complete social calendar for your product, then creating the high quality photo shoot for your product, and also creating the UGC ads for your product, for Meta, for Facebook, Instagram, and for TikTok. All of this you can do inside one single workspace. So if you want to give it a try, there is a link in description. Just go ahead, click on that link and then start using EcomBos right now. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.